Everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is about luxury hairs. So before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share it with your friends, and please do hit the bell icon. Luxury Hairs YouTube channel was created in 2010 and since then has amazed 1.4 million subscribers and 1.17 million total video views. In other words, Luxury Hairs is perfect example of an audience enabled business that relies on a loyal community of fans instead of other channel like SEO and paid advertising. Luxury Hairs is a customer-centric hair extension e-commerce retailer. I believe more important measure for a business is profit, and I can confidently say we are more profitable in the seven figures annually. My wife Mimi and I were getting married and she was looking for her hair extension for the wedding. She wasn't able to find what she was looking for, and I was lucky enough to be in the room when she was talking to her sister Leela about her predicament. At the time I didn't even know what hair extension were, and this was all of the market research we needed, as I knew if she wasn't able to find a solution for her dilemma, we were going to try to solve it. I started the same night. I went to Alibaba and probably contacted every hair extension supplier that was there and just start talking question about how to make it happen. I asked many stupid questions, however made me learn more about the product and how to actually make the idea a reality. I am choosing our supplier. Ultimately it came down to quality of product. For my initial list I narrowed down to about 10 that I had pretty good communication with, and then started ordering samples. The supplier with the best quality products and communication won our business. To our surprise, we have no minimum order with our suppliers. However, we still had to place a pretty big order as the product itself is very expensive. Our initial order was about $20. So this was it for today's video. I hope you liked the video and stay tuned for the next video.